How to set up a Tenda extender with Starlink. If you have installed a Starlink router, you can use a Tenda extender to extend your Starlink router's Wi-Fi coverage. Here we'll show you how to extend your Starlink Wi-Fi using a Tenda extender. First, make sure your Starlink router is set up and connected to the internet. Devices such as smartphone can connect to its Wi-Fi. Then configure the extender. Select the extender location. Avoid placing the extender too close to or too far from the Starlink router. Find a halfway point between the Starlink router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Power the extender. The system will start up when the indicator blinks green. Connect the Wi-Fi network of the extender, Tenda_EXT. The web UI of the extender will be displayed automatically. Tap Start now. Select the Wi-Fi network of your Starlink router. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. Set the Wi-Fi of the extender. If nothing changes, tap Next. Extension completed. The indicator is solid green. A screenshot is recommended to save the page. If the indicator of the extender lights solid red, move the extender close to the Starlink router until the indicator of the extender lights solid green. Connect to the Wi-Fi of the extender for internet access. 5G Wi-Fi is recommended.